Morning everyone. I'm out for the day and meeting up with the guys, and it's been a while actually. It's about 8:30. I'm pretty loaded up to be honest. But I just want to bring some bits out, do a bit of filming, so camera equipment, stuff like that. But yeah, let's get into the woods. Got there in the end. How you liking the new bag? Is it alright?
What, that Alice? Yeah, that.
Well, it's like an Alice pack, isn't it?
It's like an Alice pack, isn't it? Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm still getting used to it in regards to, like, I have to think where I'm putting stuff, because obviously I've been using that Sabre 45 for so long, and now I'm going to take the Steuben out. But,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, other than that, it's quite nice. I like the harness on it. What I didn't do, I put a knife here.
Yeah.
And what I didn't do, divvy twat, when I actually put it on, I thought, hang on a minute, like the knife sticks out like that because it's going over my shoulder, so I'm going to have to move it down a little bit, like it's sort of like, you know, so I have to move that down.
But here we go. We've been here for about 6 hours, and Eddie's not even here yet. Here's me set up over here. Just put the hammock up because I was badly spraining my ankle about 3-4 weeks ago, and it's the first time I've been out, and yeah, it's been sort of set up really. I'm liking this new bag, this new rucksack, and got a brew on, Hill People chest rig, still use that. And this is like a tote bag that I might be making. So there. Cook up some bacon soon. And it's a lovely day. It is really nice. We ain't had many nice days this year, have we? And which I don't mind. I don't like it too hot, but it is nice. It's just that nice temperature. But there we go. Just a little bark with a knife. Don't know if you see it. It might not be in focus. Jesus, focus in. Yeah, it's a little bark with a knife that I picked up off a mate, Mark, at the prepper meet. Really nice. Comes with like this sort of nice leather sheath, and even though it's got a really small handle, it's a good little utility knife. Just having a muck around with it. Hello mate, you just look a bit different. I can't understand what it is, but you're not quite. You've had a haircut or something?
Yeah. It's the Royal Air Force on active service, and I'm just saying. We do a bit of Mickey taking here, so don't we? But that's just.
Oh mate, okay, I'm trying to do something.
Dibble, sir, dibble. No, dibble's got to be done, hasn't it? Yeah, I'll put some, there's some char cloth, some wax there, some other bits and pieces I choose. Brilliant, okay. Could have filled it up.
So you've got a safety point there as well, so you're not going to create another wound, so that will run against where you get as well. And just don't put your fingers in there.
Just a bit of feather sticking.
Yeah,
Not
so
intentionally, anyway.
no, intentionally. So you've got some dressings, 1 to 4 on the ambulance dressings, try bandage. Obviously in these times, keep yourself clean afterwards is an important bit. And that's a carefully strap. You're feeling for it. Yeah. So they double up with a sling, or you can secure a leg to another leg for a leg fracture. Police use these for straining ankles, don't they?
I do, yeah.
The dark blue ones. Very good strap. Yeah. But yeah, so there's your kit anyway. So
Fantastic.
it was a pleasure. Everybody in the little group has got one now. So
Because I'll just say this, mate. I'm going to compliment the RAF here. It's going to take a moment. No, you do know your stuff, mate. And,
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's another skill you're bringing to the group, mate. You're bang on it, sir. You bang on it.
So you volunteer, you volunteer, didn't you?
yeah. My contribution, because I can't make knives. I can't make bits.
Hey, you've always got a skill, mate. That's a bloody important one,
I'm
mate.
still trying to find one, but like,
One day, Des. One day.
yeah. No, brilliant.
Yeah. That's what you did, Jay, to remind your daughter.
Simple. It probably don't weigh no more than the military part, doesn't it?
No.
She's, for unknown reason, she's got rid of the kitchen scale. Doesn't weigh it. It's something that you've always got with you, you know what I mean?
You're going to put this up to that? Yeah, just to see it. Just to see it up.
Head, he's had pedigree, some, and then he's biscuits on it. Don't look at that.
Yeah, and his upset response is better than the top of it.
Obviously, you don't even think about that. What I do is, I like to do, see where I'm carrying the minimum kit to be able to go from out the door. I don't always say get out of and all that stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, one of this, one pot, one this, one shelter. I've got the front pack mammoth jacket, that's a big old jacket, a pair of softy trousers. I don't bring the sweating days because that's, and that'll all try and get water bottles. You can get by with a Coke bottle which you can find anywhere, and the toilet paper, and just a real, just something to do, use the stuff.
Is everyone like stop talking because I'm filming or something? Yeah, what you actually demonstrating here?
Oh, are you actually filming it?
Yeah.
Oh right, well I'm just doing a little it's just a little bit of kit, you see them maybe Amazon or something like that.
Yeah.
Loads of time. But it's like a poncho. It's meant to be a lot of things but master of none.
Yeah.
It wasn't expensive obviously because I bought it. But obviously if you tie the little strings up there, you've got like a improvised poncho, waterproof. So it's got a silly thing on the head. This is what it all folds into, but you see where it's coming from, that's the head. And it would work as a,
Hang on.
work as a poncho.
You like a hammock as well,
And it can be a lean-to shelter, no angles on this one, so we're safe. And also, as you see, I've got it set up there as a hammock. So it's a 3-in-1 sort of item.
Yeah.
Again, so you could use it as an emergency waterproof. Nobody likes to get wet. Well, it probably looks a bit stupid. But it's ready here, set up as a hammock, and obviously with the ridge line, you just put a ridge line up, and it goes up as a lean-to shelter as well.
Yeah.
Say emergency or when you're caught out. And
what length is that then?
Huh?
What length is that?
Des, I'm going to get all technical on you. Okay. It's this long. But adequate for a. No, do you see what I mean? It's got mileage in it. It wasn't expensive. Dave, probably back 2 or 3 years. I think I bought it out before now, mate. Because I've set it up as a.
Oh, it's not a new purchase then?
No, mate, no. I always buy the little bits and bobs, don't I? But yeah, so it's set up to be a hammock. It can be a shelter, obviously a ridge line, and you can see that. I'm not going to insult people's intelligence. Or, if necessary, it'll keep you dry. Probably wouldn't want to go shopping down the high street wearing it when it's raining because it'll look like a tit, but other than that, job done.
I'm all set. Something else with on fire then?
Yeah. Big bit of ground patch here, mate. If that was in and you'd be right in a covered space,
Yeah.
it wouldn't be open, that was going to blend in with the green and that, mate.
Yeah.
It's got to be better than just a brown or type. But it's literally that, mate. You make the tent pegs. Everybody's got paracord in their pocket, and you can have that. So it's part one of a shelter, mate. And the other part, I'll stick it up for you and have a look. Is where I'll make that into. I say, get you out of trouble shelter, but where it's a lightweight, it's strong as well, mate.
Yeah.
Material. I will pick you the link.
Yeah.
Is you're always going to have something like that with you.
There's birds on there, isn't there?
Huh?
There's birds on there.
Oh, I don't know.
No,
Mate.
look. Yeah.
You've been on that wacky backy.
No, there is. There's birds.
No, Dave, you've been on. Are you filming?
Yeah.
You've been on the wacky backy, sir.
Alan.
Yeah, no, I do see
Yeah.
what you mean there. Yeah. There was a bird. Oh, blimey. Hey,
There's birds and woodlands there.
You did give me a toot on that one. No, anyway, that's good gear. We'll see that video again. Oh no, but I see what you mean now.
Yeah.
There is a bird there. Yeah, no, but
I said there's birds on the art. He went, no, you were laughing.
I said he's been on a wacky backy, but yeah, no, when you look, there's a bird there.
Look.
See the bird?
There's a duck.
There's a beak.
Yeah.
And that, yeah, that's a baldric. That's a baldric on there. Come on. It's not a baldric. But yeah, it's a bit funky, mate, as I described
it is,
it.
isn't it? There is bird.
But if you imagine, if you're looking there now,
Another one.
all the
See 'em on there.
gorse bushes
Yeah,
are,
yeah.
that's where you want to be. If you want to be out of the place, you don't want to be discovered. You wouldn't have it set up on a bit of ground like this, would you? But that's the simple bit, mate. The only other thing, I'm going to put a tag just to pull that there.
Yeah.
No worries. And one about there just to pull it out so it's off your face a bit. The other one needed that, but you know, I say it's all about keeping it simple, because you've got that. If you ain't got temp pegs, you make some. Everybody's got a bit of paracord on them, and it's just meant to be. You load it, mate. It's lighter than a military dasher. It's got nothing on it. It don't need.
A bit like West German flat time version, isn't it?
Yeah.
Been better than Coyote Tan.
You're lucky. The things you see when you ain't got a gun. No, so that's just part one, and the second part, I've got a nice idea with it. Is
Turn it into a poncho.
Yeah, put a hat on the middle bit there.
don't they? Because I'll do it.
I know you.
You know what I mean? I like 2-for-1 special offers, so that's it at the moment. Well, the other poncho thing I had there made kind of work, didn't it? It was in a difficult situation.
Definitely worked.
You can either be wet or look a bit daft.
Yeah, no, that was going to work. That would work.
But you have a bit of this.
Bring you back when he's put the other bit up. Right, everyone's sort of packing up now. I'm ready to go. There's all my gear there. It's really not a great deal of content on this video. The reason being is that not loads of contact on this video, just because we've been talking quite a lot and we ain't seen each other since the prepper meet, so just been catching up. I've just added a few bits and pieces whenever, but there we go. See you in the next one.